All right, we got one of the nicest trailers ever made, hands down. The Cherokee Alpha Wolf, the L edition. But look at this, outdoor kitchen, all fiberglass, LED lighting, 2 entry doors, lots of storage. But look at this, enclosed underbelly, solar. Ooh, wait till you see this. Oh, this is a beauty. This is a beauty. Somebody did not use this trailer, guys. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Those are beds. Those aren't bunks. Ooh, pantry. But look at this. Look how nice this is. Oh my God, look at this huge bathroom. And you get your own private bedroom.